Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Lava Chicken music disc in Minecraft, both Bedrock and Java editions. If this video helps, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's jump right in. I'm currently playing on Java Snapshot 1.2, 1.7, but don't worry. This method also works on Bedrock. To increase your chances, I recommend using a sword with a looting enchantment, but it's totally optional. Any weapon will do. To get the disc, you need to find and defeat a chicken jockey. That's a baby zombie riding a chicken. Now, these are rare mobs, but they can naturally spawn in your world, or you can spawn them manually using this command. You will find in description, make sure cheats are on. Here's the key part. You must kill the baby zombie first, not the chicken. If you kill the chicken first, the Lava Chicken music disc won't drop. So either target the zombie directly or try to damage both at the same time. But make sure the zombie dies first. And there you go. That's how to get the Lava Chicken music disc in Minecraft. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick Minecraft guides like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy the beats from your new disc.